A very good morning to all. In the previous class, we have studied how average works and what is the formula for average. Average is actually equal to the total number of score upon the number of scores given. Now we will apply the formula of average to the word problems. I will read the problem, just pay attention. The daily rainfall for each of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. You can see 9, 11, 8, 20, 10, 16, 12. This is the information given to us, and now we need to find the average. Total rain in millimeter upon total number of days. So total rain 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12, and total number of days is 7. So when you add, what you get is 86 upon 7. Now the average rainfall during the week is 12.29. So it is 12.29 millimeters. Children, don't forget to put the units. Another example, during the annual function of a school, a women's self-help group had set up snacks. Their sales every hour worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847 and rupees 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? Now you can see the information given to you. How many readings are there? 960, 830, 945, 800, 847, 970. Okay, so this is the total sale upon the total number of hours, and then we'll get average. So 960 plus 830, 945 plus 800 plus 847 plus 970 divide by 6, because it is 6 readings. That means 6 hours. So 5352 divided by 6, which is equal to 892. So the average of the sale per hour is 892 every hour. That is the sale. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? 900 mm, 650 mm, 450 mm, 733 mm, 400 mm. Now again, average rainfall is the total rainfall in mm upon total number of years. The total rain is 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400 upon 5, which is equal, divided by 5 because it is 5 years, which is equal to 3133 divided by 5, which is equal to 626.6. So the average rainfall is 626.6 millimeter. Don't forget to write the units, children. Again we apply the formula of average. A farmer bought some sack of animal feed. The weight of the sacks are given below in kg. What is the average weight of the sacks? 49.8, 49.7, 49.5, 49.3, 50, 48.9, 49.2, 48.8. Now all these numbers are expressed in the form of kg. So now you can see the average weight in kilogram will be equal to sum of the weight is equal to sum of the weight of sacks in kg upon total number of sacks. Now we'll add the readings given. 49.8 plus 49.7 plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 50 plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8 upon 8, because the number of readings given is 8. So 395.2 divided by 8 is going to give you 49.4. Now this is the average weight of the sacks, that is 49.4 kg. When it is rainfall, it is mm. Since it was weight, it is in kg. You have to keep in mind. Rutuja practiced skipping with a rope all 7 days a week. The number of times she jumped the rope in 1 minute every day is given below. In 1 minute, she has given 60 jumps, 62 jumps, 61 jumps, 60 jumps, 59 jumps, 63 jumps, and 58 jumps. Now we have to find the average. So average will be sum of the number of jumps on 7 days upon total number of days. That means 60 plus 62 plus 61 plus 60 plus 59 plus 63 plus 58 upon 7, which is equal to 423 upon 7, which is equal to 60.42. So the average number of jumps per minute was 49.2. A school conducted a survey to find out how the students live from school, how far they live. Given below is the distance of houses of 6 students from the school. We'll find the average distance from the school, that is 950 meter, 800 meter, 700 meter, 1.5 kilometer, 1 kilometer and 750 meter. Now here the units given are kilometer. So first we will convert kilometers into meter. Now basically the average distance, when we have to calculate, we need the same units. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter and 1.5 kilometer is 1500 meter. So average is equal to sum of the distance between home and school for 6 students upon total number of students. So 950 plus 800 plus 700 plus 1500 plus 1000 plus 750 upon 6. We need to convert 1 kilometer into 1000 meter and 1.5 kilometer into 1500 meter. So the answer is 5700 upon 6, which is equal to 950 meter. The average distance at which the students live from school is 950 meter. Again children, pay attention to the unit. How we calculate whatever unit is given, you need to put the same unit in the average. I hope I'm clear with this concept of how to apply average to word problems. Thank you.